Video shots of arborists putting on climbing gear, then ascending a tree.
My name is Fabrice Lamont. Peter Haupt.
Karen Satterthwaite, and we do inspections and tree work around the park to make sure the trees are as healthy as possible for all of the patrons.
Text over a video shot of an arborist descending from a tree. Central Park Conservancy, Arborists. Fabrice Lamont.
I guess I realized after being an English major was that I didn't want to work inside.
Video shots of Fabrice doing a tree inspection.
And so it just seemed to really fit me.
Karen Satterthwaite.
I was doing a lot of indoor work, and at a certain point I just needed to get out of the office completely.
Video shots of Karen putting on tree climbing gear and then climbing a tree for an inspection.
And I started doing one-off classes in arboriculture and figured out that was the direction I wanted to go in. The trees here are very diverse in species. We have a lot of native trees and a lot of ornamentals. We have old trees and they're magnificent.
Peter Haupt.
We have trees a lot of times that get damaged and they'll lose a section of bark from the trunk.
Peter and two other arborists examine a damaged tree trunk.
And if there is a large patch of viable bark that's still moist, we can re-adhere that to the wound. So we're almost doing like a bark graft in a lot of ways.
Fabrice Lamont.
One time I had to climb up a weeping hemlock.
Video shots of a hemlock tree, followed by shots of Fabrice in a tree, then more shots of arborists inspecting trees.
And it just gave me the sense that when you're working with a tree, you're not just working with a single plant, you're working with a whole system of interrelations between trees and insects, between trees and the soil, between trees and other plants. It's like being in a microcosm. Every tree is its own microcosm. And that got me hooked.
Group shot of 6 Central Park Conservancy arborists. Central Park Conservancy.